The only thing you need to know is the algebra concept of units canceling one another out. When you divide quantities with the same unit, the units cancel out, leaving a dimensionless number. For example, if you divide 10 meters by 2 meters, the meters cancel out, leaving you with the number 5, which is dimensionless. So how many moles of electrons weigh 1 kilogram when the mass of 1 electron equals 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms, and 1 mole equals 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd electrons? First, you identify what unit the question is asking you to end with. In this case, it's moles. Second, you start with what number you're given in the question, which is 1 kilogram. Third, you look to see what equation also has that unit in it. We see that 1 electron equals 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms has the unit kilogram. But what do you do with it? Let's take a step back. From our algebra concept, we know that a unit over a unit cancels out, and also that in mathematics, you can generally divide both sides of an equation by the same non-zero quantity, and the equation will remain valid. Let's apply these concepts to our equation. Dividing each side by 1 electron, the units electron cancel out, and we get 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms divided by 1 electron equals 1 over 1. Conversely, dividing each side by the kilograms, we get 1 electron divided by 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms equals 1 over 1, which is the same as saying 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms per 1 electron, or 1 electron per 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms. This is vital to know because it shows that from now on we can swap numerators with denominators for our ratios. Now back to our example. So what do we multiply our 1 kilogram by? We want it to become dimensionless, so we compare both of our ratios and see that 1 electron per 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms will cancel out the other kilogram, just leaving the unit electrons in the numerator. Next, we look to see at the ratios of moles to electrons. Hopefully you know how we got to this based on what we talked about previously, and see that the ratio of 1 mole per 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd electrons cancels out the electron unit and leaves us with the mole unit in the numerator, which is what we were previously looking for. The last bit is simple multiplication across and then division of the numbers. This is often called dimensional analysis to get 1 times 1 times 1 mole divided by 9.109 times 10 to the negative 31 times 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, which equals 1.823 times 10 to the 6 moles. So there are 1.823 times 10 to the 6 moles of electrons in 1 kilogram. Keep in mind that the unit mole is defined as the amount of a substance and is always 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, whether it's particles, electrons, or cats. Thank you for watching, and I hope these explanations help. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. And if you found value in this video, please like it, subscribe, and let people know about the channel because it really does help spread the knowledge.